Finally, the Government of India has informed Parliament that there is no difference between the milk of indigenous and foreign cow breeds. Minister of State of Fisheries, Animal Husbandry and Dairying, Mr. Sanjeev Balyan stated in a written reply in Lok Sabha that as per the information received from ICAR, there is no conclusive information available regarding the difference between the quality of milk of foreign breeds of cows and indigenous cattle. The minister was responding to a question by YSR Congress MP Magunta Srinivasulu Reddy and BJP MP Virendra Kumar on indigenous cattle breeds. The minister's answer contradicts a long-standing myth in India, like in 2019 West Bengal BJP President Dilip Ghosh had claimed that the characteristic of Indian cow is that its milk has gold, which is why its color is yellow to some extent. The Indian cows have hump, but the foreign cows do not have it. He had said, their back is horizontal like that of buffaloes. The hump has a vessel which is called Swan Nari, gold now. When it gets sunlight, gold is produced, making the color of milk yellow. It looks golden. The Rashtriya Kamdhenu Ayog, which had quoted such controversy and after being widely criticized for passing off myth as science, the RKA had last month postponed the online exam indefinitely. Buffalo mozzarella cheese is a premium product in the international markets. According to the production-linked incentive scheme, with an outlay of rupees 10,800 crores for food processing sector, companies that make selected products will get an incentive of up to a certain percent, for example 6% for mobile phones, on incremental sales of all such products made in India. This scheme is meant for greenfield projects only. Amul is India's largest dairy cooperative and the largest producer of cheese in the country. It has developed a plan for an investment of rupees 200 crores and submitted to the government in this regard. This plan is positioned India as a global leader for the export of mozzarella cheese made by using buffalo milk. The scheme also covers desi ghee under dairy category. There may be many more players going ahead for expanding their production capacities using buffalo milk in near future to avail the scheme. Jai Shri Gayatri Food Products JGF, a leading dairy product manufacturer in central India, has launched its flagship dairy products brand Milk Magic in Madhya Pradesh by roping in approximately 4,000 channel partners, which include super stockists, distributor and retail outlets across the state. Milk Magic has also unveiled its first exclusive business outlet in Bhopal. The brand will open many more such outlets across cities. The company JGF has also awarded Beanstalk Asia the entire integrated marketing communications mandate for their entire portfolio of their dairy products brand Milk Magic and soon to be launched non-dairy products portfolio. Speaking about the domestic B2C market foray of Milk Magic, Kishan Modi, Managing Director JGF, said, as demand for packaged dairy product has started to increase in India over concerns of hygiene and quality, we see a huge potential for our brand Milk Magic to go national. While China remains a powerhouse of innovation in Asia Pacific, both Tencent and Alibaba-backed cold chain logistics startup Cianio are top 10 most innovative companies list this year. South Korea's Sejen helped the world diagnose the novel coronavirus quickly and effectively. India's Milk Mantra allowed the country's small-scale dairy farmers to bring their products to market while ensuring quality control. And Australia's ProAgni has cleaned up the food chain by developing antibiotic-free supplement for cattle and sheep. Second topper Milk Mantra partnered with USAID to launch an initiative to let farmers access their paychecks digitally. Previously, some had to travel long distances to access their finances. Milk Mantra also reduced its payment cycles to 5 days from 10 days to help farmers access their funds faster and avoid disrupting their operations. When chips are down, Kishore Biani is launching some chips. The Kishore Biani-led group's debt had spiraled out of control last year, forcing it to get into a nearly rupees 25,000 crore transaction with Reliance Retail. Biani's plan to roll out the Made in India version of the popular US chips brands are bearing fruits 4 years later after Future Consumer and Lake Success New York-based Hanes Celestial Group entered into a joint venture to produce Terra chips in India. Currently, an imported Terra packet of 200 gram costs rupees 410 and Future Consumer plans to bring the prices down by about 150% through local production and also plans to introduce smaller packs to make them more accessible in the country. The Future Group is re-energizing its joint ventures with dairy majors Fonterra for their Dreamery range of dairy products and American food firm Hanes Celestial as it prepares for life after a tough 2020. The Telangana High Court had set aside the state government's GO8 of Animal Husbandry Department transferring rights over milk products factory at Lalapet in Hyderabad belonging to erstwhile AP Dairy Development Cooperative Federation Limited to Telangana State Dairy Development Cooperative Federation. The action of Telangana in issuing the GO was illegal, arbitrary and contrary to the AP Reorganization Act 2014, the judgment said. Another GO number 17 issued by Telangana was declared to be only an interim arrangement. The AP DDCF was not bound by that GO, the verdict said. The administrative office of the AP DDCF and its assets and liabilities should be divided between AP DDCF and TS DDCF in the ratio of 58.32 is to 41.68. While first and second floors of the building go to TS DDCF, the third and fourth floors go to AP DDCF. The milk price in first quarter in Australia has increased by 2% to reach at 47 Australian cents per litre. Global dairy prices continue to push higher, driven by large increases in purchasing from China and South Asian countries. In comparison to the January to March period last year, China has purchased on average 48.9% more product per auction on the global dairy trade platform in 2021. Milk powder has been the product of choice, with the first auction event for March recording a 21% jump to the average price for whole milk powder. The increase was in part due to a decline in supply. However, the trend of stockpiling milk powder in 2021 looks likely to continue this month. This is positive news for Australian dairy processor despite an appreciating Australian dollar. Overall, the global market is experiencing strong demand for most finished products, with current prices for SMP and cheddar sitting well above the 5-year average. Thanks for watching Daily News 7x7 channel with news update from last 7 days. To continue receiving update from this channel, I, Kuldeep Sharma, request you to subscribe this channel and share and like the video, and also don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.